Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface. So first, go to create a sketch, select the plane. After selecting the plane as per the image, we will create a circle of 50 mm diameter. After creating this circle of 50 mm diameter, we will draw one more circle of 70 mm diameter. Now the next, we will draw these lines at a distance of 10 mm from each other. Then we will draw this circle of 20 mm diameter. Then we will draw one more circle of 40 mm diameter. Now we will draw these two lines at a distance of 10 mm. Distance between this line and this line should be 5. In this way we have created such objects. After creating this, what we have to do, we have to create these two sketches. For that, first we draw a reference line. As per the drawing, we can see here that at a distance of 60 mm from the center line, we draw a line. Between these two is 20, and this one is 10. We'll draw a mirror line in this way. Now the next, we'll draw this 10 mm. And we this was similarly we'll create here. Now the next, we have to trim all the unwanted edges. For that, select this trim command, trim this unwanted edges. Now finish the sketch. Go to home position, extrude, this one and this one up to, as per the drawing, we can see it is 40 mm here and press OK. So now you can see we have created what we have seen in this particular one. The next is we have to create this one. For that, first we will create a mid plane between this and this and press OK. After creating this mid plane, go to this one and as per the drawing we can see here that we have to create a line in this way and press escape. Finish the sketch. Select this rip command, select the curve and provide here 10 mm and press OK. Now, next we have to create such holes with the help of extrude command and circle command. Now select this plane, create a sketch, create a circle, 10 mm, enter. Distance between the center of this one and this line is 15 mm. In this way we will provide this. Then finish the sketch, choose extrude command, select this profile and extrude it and press. So we have created the same object as we have seen in this particular image. Now we will provide some appearance. For that, from here we will select this glossy. From here we can provide, let's say, yellow color to this one. As you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.